And Jai Hind children, welcome to the drawing class. Today we will do copy work, aeroplane drawing. Now first of all you all will write down heading, aeroplane, classwork and today's date. And now I will start the drawing of the aeroplane. As you all know, aeroplane shape is like a fish shape from the front side. So we will draw this kind of line. This is the basic outline drawing for the aeroplane, and then we will do the detailing. From the front side it is like this, and the back side also a triangle shape kind of this. And now I will start doing the detailing. First of all, the wing, the side wing I will draw. We have to do shading and coloring both. So in classwork you all can do pencil shading, and in the homework one you can do the coloring. So both the pages you will draw in your copy. Now I will draw the back side wings. Don't draw too hard lines or dark lines. Very light pencil drawing so that you can do the correction easily. This is the back wing, and now the front side I will add these two lines and the windows here. Where you have this curve, the first window will be starting from that side here, one, then the center one little bit bigger, and the third one like this. Now the gate, now the gate and the small windows. So for small windows, draw a line like this, and taking that as a base, draw all the windows on this line. There, now one more line, this guideline that will go. So like this our drawing is done. If you want you can write down Air India, Indian Airlines, or any whichever airlines name you want to write, you can add here or on the wings here. So you can write the name here, or you can write the name here also. Add few clouds, and now we will do the outlining with black sketch pen for coloring. So like this I will start the outline. This outline I am doing for coloring. For shading you will not use outline with sketch pen, you will simply use with shading pencil only. Now after outlining, your aeroplane is like this. Now you can color it with your choice of colors. Any color you can select. Suppose I have taken silver, and I will take navy blue, silver and violet. So with these colors I will do the shading, and like this I will start the coloring. I am not filling the whole thing, only little bit of shading I am doing, and then mix it with silver color. Now we have to color the front part, so we will start doing this way. Now mix it with silver color, little bit of shading only I am doing. You can change the color according to your own wish. These are transparent glasses, so I am doing it with white only, and these are also, so it is also silver. This one can be dark. Now the back wing you will color the same way as we have done the front wings. Mix it with silver color. Little bit of shading, and then you can rub it with your finger. So like this your aeroplane drawing is done. Now you can color the clouds with blue color, and if you wish you want to color the whole background, then you can simply color the whole background also like this by taking the crayon, making it flat to the surface, and then just rubbing it on the background of the sheet like this. And then clouds you can color with dark blue. So like this you can complete your drawing. Thank you and have a nice day.